This is a 2004 Sterling fuel lube truck with a Cat C7. I went ahead and started this video with the hood open because I was taking some pictures and don't want to open and close twice. Motor, top end is all new and fresh. So this truck just came off the road, replaced by a new one. So that's the only reason she's for sale. No major issues of any sort. Can go on the road, drive right now. And I'll get her cranked up so we can listen to the motor. And go ahead and cover the interior here. This is the major only issue that I can see with this truck. It's all taped together. These Sterlings have very thin plastics up here, and you'll see it from time to time, but this one's being held up by tie straps and tape. And I know there's a company in Ocala, Gainesville area that will sell this whole dash assembly for $1,000 bucks. So there's opportunity to replace that. AC does work. It is cold. It is a little restrictive though. Sitting here a while, it end up heating up. Cooling down. But if it gets hot, real hot, like it is in Florida, I think it has a tough time to keep up in the current condition it is in. It's just a mild air blow, but it is cold. So. See the new belt there as well. Like I said, the whole top end's just been done. It's fresh. Little light bar up here. These lights are pretty new. So all the mirrors, the lights, everything works. It's road worthy right now. I'm not sure the capacity. Obviously you got fuel, you got waste oil right here. It's lit up pretty nice. You've got light bars, other lights back here as well. Look like LED. Oil. Fuel, def. And I'll show you on the other side. It's pretty open. So you got another compartment here to put what you want. Truck runs well. like I said, can go right to work. Doesn't have transmission or engine issues. It's really dry. Don't have leaks. Everything had been kept up with DOT. Is DOT certified currently. So, good truck. Let me know. Call Matt Altman at 407-690-1017. Thanks.